Alright, my little Bundy buddies, I just want to show you what's going on with this 2000 Honda Accord V6. So right there you can see that the battery light is on, the check engine light is on because of an O2 sensor, low fuel, and then the brake light is on. But the two things I'm concerned about is I saw the brake light and the battery light come on, and she's been saying that it's been intermittent, that's been coming on and going off, coming on, going off, and now it's finally staying on permanently and stuck in a battery alternator tester into the cigarette lighter. You can see right there, I'm not getting any signal for the alternator. I should have a battery signal, charged, recharged, dead. The dead light is on, so it's saying it's less than 11.75 volts, but I'm getting nothing from the alternator. If this was normal, if the alternator was putting out between 13.4 and 14.75 volts, it would be right there at the normal, but the alternator is dead. So I'm gonna have to replace the alternator on this vehicle. So I just want to show you guys what happens when the battery light and the brake light come on a vehicle, and can't figure out why. Typically your alternator is dead. So there you go, guys, hope this helps you out. So we're in an Infiniti right now, of Infiniti G35 with a 3.5 liter. The battery light is on and the brake light is on, just like the one that was in the Acura. And check the alternator, and the alternator is bad. So if you see a battery light and a brake light that are coming on simultaneously, 99.9% of the time, your alternator is no good.